Cruise and Travel News, Thursday, the 9th of July, 2026. Good morning, and welcome back. This is Bruce with Lap of Luxury Travel, and I'm excited to be bringing you today's latest cruise and travel news, covering the most important updates. Our top story: Norwegian Cruise Line. The Norwegian Sun has resumed its Baltic itinerary after repairs in Copenhagen. Technical issues forced the cancellation of its Oslo port call, impacting a second sailing. Guests received compensation and refunds. Since departing, no further issues have been reported. Aboard the Legend of the Seas, Royal Caribbean introduces Find My Kid. Using an Adventure Ocean WOW band, parents can track their child's location via the Royal Caribbean app. Legend is the second Icon-class ship with this service, following Star of the Seas. In luxury cruise news, Silversea announced its 2028-2029 voyage collection. This release features over 200 new itineraries, spanning from polar regions to remote tropical isles. Highlights include an expanded Mediterranean expedition program and a 60-day Grand Mediterranean voyage. The brand new Emerald Lumi has officially touched water for the first time in Romania, a major milestone for the luxury vessel. Beginning in 2027, the ship will sail a new 8-day Seine and Normandy itinerary round-trip from Paris, with stops including Giverny and Rouen. In airline news, American Airlines is adding a second daily non-stop flight from Miami to Street Kitts due to high demand. This expanded seasonal service will operate from the 17th of December 2026 through the 5th of April 2027, making it even easier to reach the stunning Caribbean islands. And that's today's cruise and travel news. For expert help planning your next cruise, river cruise, or luxury vacation, call us at 800-462-6807 or visit lapofluxurytravel.com. We're here to make your dream trip a reality. No planning fees, platinum concierge service, trip overwatch, because ordinary isn't an option.